The date was January 18th, 1983. A recent mental patient named Ethel Mae Franken shot and killed her husband and her 3 children to death in their home in Aplington, Iowa. Her husband that she killed, his name was Daryl Franken. He was 37. Ethel and Daryl's children were 13-year-old Troy, Valerie, who was 11, and Dustin, who was 7. And then ultimately, as you can probably imagine, Ethel Franken, she killed herself in the home as well on the same day. Ethel Mae Franken, she was 33 when all this occurred. She, of course, was suffering from some mental illness. Before the murders took place, she even went to a psychiatric facility for 5 weeks. Friends of Ethel's talked to her the day before the murders happened, and they said that she sounded really good, and they said that she sounded like she was improving mentally, seemed like she was doing okay. So Monday night, the night before it happened, she made some food for the family. She went to like a Christian women's group, and everyone there said that she seemed fine. So police were indicating that the murders probably took place around 4 a.m. Tuesday morning. She used her .22 caliber rifle. That was the murder weapon that she used to kill her husband, the 3 children, and then of course herself. The bodies were discovered around noon on Tuesday. So Scott and Dina Ibling were very close friends with Daryl and Ethel Franken and the family. And Scott actually worked with Daryl at the John Deere factory in Waterloo. He actually, from time to time, would give Daryl rides to work. And so that morning, Tuesday morning, he actually went with his wife to pick up Daryl to go to work. And he knocked on the door, waited a few minutes, and Daryl didn't, of course, come outside because he was already killed. It says in the article that they couldn't wait much longer because they didn't want to be late for work, but they just had like some eerie feeling. And so that, combined with the fact that the kids didn't show up for school, they finally got some people to go over there, and of course they found the bodies. The only thing it says in the article is that it was a very short suicide note. It wasn't really written to anyone specific, and basically all it said was that Ethel was just super concerned about her children's future. The main reason for the murder-suicides was the fact that Ethel still wasn't 100% back to her normal self, her normal mental self. I think we can say that with pretty good certainty since she just got back from the psychiatric facility. Something obviously still wasn't perfect in her mind. Alright guys, so I found the Franken household. It is literally, and I'm not exaggerating, literally across the street from the school. So the house here is 216 10th Street, Aplington, Iowa. I don't really know if Ethel Franken was given any medication, like sent home with her after she got out of the psychiatric facility. I don't know if she was ordered to go back there at any time or to seek any other counseling or anything. If she just got out, what else were they providing her to make sure that she was going to be okay? But anyway, so yeah, this is the house, 216 North 10th Street. Alright, anyway guys, that basically wraps up this video. If you're new around here and you haven't watched too many of my videos, my name's Harmon. I go around the country trying to find different infamous events, infamous crimes, or people, and give you as much information. I actually go to locations If you like this kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button, the like button if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next case. Have a good one.